Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D Online Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make easy money using Fiverr. Now, if you're stuck, if you've never made money online, if you don't know where to go, there are hundreds of videos out there telling you how to make money. Half of them don't work, all right? If you are looking for a 100% way that you can make money, really quickly, Fiverr is the way forward. I made $6,000 on Fiverr and I'm going to show you exactly how I done it. I'm going to show you my account. I'm going to show you the money, which no one else does. Just watch what I do and you can make a real long-term business, all right? Fiverr is the way forward. If you're a newbie, if you're experienced, this is a real business and I'll show you exactly what I'll do. I'll show you how you can get things set up today and then I'm going to show you a massive shortcut in how you can build a real business like I did. So in this video, I'm going to show you today where to go, how to get started. Anyone can do this. You can do it every day and it works in every single country in the world. Fiverr is massive, guys. And for me, it's the #1 way if you're new to make money online. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Now, before I jump into the video, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe. If you like my video, leave a comment below and I'll answer it, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more programs. That's it. Quick intro. Let's get on with it. So guys, this is Fiverr, which everyone is pretty much aware of. It's a platform where you buy and sell pretty much anything. And there's so much demand still on this platform. It is brilliant. Now I'll show you a really easy way of making money with this platform. So before we do that, let me dive into my account. Which is, where is there. So I'm just going to hit this, go to my dashboard. I'm going to prove to you, and no one else does this, guys, that this works. So this is my account. This is my live dashboard. I've earned £5,144. That's over $6,500. I've done 959 orders and I average them £6.92. There's my feedback. Ratings, and I've sold to 29% of the world. All right, no one shows you their account because no one makes money. I make money on Fiverr. I've made $6,500, £5,144, and keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, guys, keep watching. And remember, hit that subscribe, leave a comment below. It's really important, and I will answer your questions. All right, I'm really want to help you guys out so you can start making money on Fiverr like I do. So right, let's get on to it. So first of all, you need to outsource. I don't do any gigs myself. I don't do anything. I outsource everything. I'm going to show you a simple way of doing it, right? So for me, there's some really easy gigs that you can do. Traffic is one of the, if not the biggest gig on Fiverr. So do a search on traffic, all right? Now what you want to do is find one that is easy to do. Let's have a look. So we're going to find one. I mean, you can see some of these. Let's just have a quick look at this. This guy here, I will get visitors to your site. He charges £19.98, and he's done 416 sales. So so that you can see how much money you can make here. So say £20 at 416, that is £8,380 he's made. £8,000 from one simple gig. Let's have a look at it. I'm going to show you how you can do this, guys, with not knowing anything about it. Let's just have a quick look. So let's open it up. So I will get visitors, traffic, sales to your search engine. Now, it doesn't actually say how many. I will get more traffic. I'll register your URL to 428 search engines. Okay, so that's good. That's not what we're looking for. We are looking. That's good, actually. I quite like that. I'm actually going to save that, guys. I've not seen this guy before. Let's go. So this is the sort of one we want here. So I will send traffic to your site. So he has done 42 at £8. That's how many has he done? 42 sales times 8, £336. Let's have a look at this one. So this is an easy one to do. All he's doing is sending traffic to your web page. $7.99 for 3,000, 51 for 20,000, and £87, Christ, for 40,000. So that is $7.99 for 3,000. All right. I'm just going to write that down, and then I'll tell you why in a minute. So we're going to look at this one as an example, right? Because we know it sells. Now you're saying to me, I know nothing about how to get traffic. You don't need to. I don't know nothing, but I know somebody who does. So the first thing you would do, you would look at this gig and you would make a similar gig up. Now do not copy it word for word because you'll get banned, all right? But change this around. I will send 3,000 visitors to your website. Make a graphic on here on canva.com, or it's free, or get somebody on Fiverr to make you a real simple graphic. That one's not even any good, it's horrible. About this gig, write about it. I would look at somebody else's gig because his one is pretty rubbish the way it looks. You know, some of these are really nice looking websites, so that's what you want to do. Okay, anyway, let's get on. So we're going to zip over to a website called Pico Workers. It's picoworkers.com, okay? Go over to that and go to small jobs. And this is basically a website where people do things for really, really cheap. So you can get them to visit a website, okay? And they will visit that website and register on it. So you can do post a small job. So these are some of the ones that you can do. So to do a small job is you can pay 2 cents for it. Okay, 2 cents. So that would cost us 60 cents, you know, or some of them will be $1 or $2 maximum, and we're charging $7.99. Okay, so you can see the money. These guys will do it for 2 cents, but you're charging £7.99. So you're going to make, you know, if that's in dollars, that's $10. You're making $6 or $7 for every single sale. Now, not only you can do that, you can use this site for anything. You know, watch a YouTube video, subscribe to a channel. Though you've got to be careful around all that. You know, just go to small jobs here and you can see what people are paying for. There are loads. You know, visit apps. This one here, visit a website. So this guy here, you know, he's charging 3 cents and he's got 277 people going there. You know, this is a prime example, and you're going to charge $8 for that. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. It is that simple, guys. It is that simple to do it. So go through these traffic ones and have a look. You know, find one and undercut these people. Maybe not charge $7.99. Maybe charge $6.99. Maybe charge $5 just to get some reviews done, and then you can put the money up. But honestly, this is one of the best ways of making money. Now, there is another way of making money. I've shown you how I made $6,000, and that was with a product called Fiverrlicious. Now, this is my own product. This is my product on the screen that I put together, and I normally sell this for $47. I had it on a sale for $17. If you get it today, I'm doing it for $9.97, guys, for you. $9.97. It's a steal. I will show you exactly the gigs that I sell. I'll show you them, how to write the description, how to get the graphic, where to get them from. There's another site that I use, not Pico Workers. I use another one, which is probably better. It's more expensive, but it's better. And I'll show you that in this course for $10. I'll show you everything that I do. I do this part-time and I am raking the money in, okay? I work full-time. I've got 6 kids. This money just helps me get on and have the finer things in life, right? You can do it too. There are 8 videos, over-the-shoulder videos of how I do it. The link is below, guys, to grab a copy for $9.97, and it's not going to last. There's Trevor. He's my launch partner. I'll show you how I buy these gigs for $1 and sell them between $5, $10 plus, all right? There's me. And like I said, there's loads of reviews on here, guys. I've sold over 2,500 copies of this because it works. This is not a quick scheme. It's a business in a box, and it works. And I want you to do it. I'm not going to be offering it for that price for much longer. Grab it while you can. It's $10. It will change your life. I guarantee it will change your life. And that's it, guys. Remember, guys, hit the subscribe for me. Hit the bell. I'd really appreciate it. Leave me a comment and I'll answer any questions you have. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you later.